Nzama ya maundu ma Kiw'U, nzama nene ya mangavana, pamwe na nzama ya maundu ma utandithya ya Senete, niyaleana na muvango wa selikali wa kualyula Miao ya maundu ma Kiw'U ya mwaka wa 2016 kwa kila meuweta kuvitukithwa kwayo ta kukwithiwa na isiyi mbingi itonya utuma mwenenthi alea kuvikiwa ni Kiw'U wooka kavindani kala nzama ile syatwaisya kikalo kimwanya na mivea ya Kiw'U kuma selikali ni sya county. Ofisi wa mwiki wa masabu ma selikali na muungami wa budget county ni ya Mombasa kunenanisya maundu ma kwayo kukwatikana kwa Kiw'U kwi mwenenthi. Ajalina Muse alivoti.
Komiti ya maundu ma Kiw'U itongowe ni mwenekivilo wayo Andrew Mwadime na ula ni governor wa county ya Taita Taveta ni kuatikana kuvitukithwa kwa bili ni kutonya idhwa na isiyi kivathuka.
Yani pale ile mahali kulikuwa na utata. Manake ile bill ilikuwa kule imepitishwa National Assembly ikienda kule Senate. Sana kuna mamlaka mengine ambayo ilikuwa ni county government ilikuwa inachukuliwa na serikali kuu. Sasa ndio maswala tulikuwa tunaongea kama wadau, so that sote tuwe na ushindi na tufuatilie vile katiba yetu ipo.
The national government has sponsored an amendment to the Water Act 2016 that we call the Water Amendment Bill, that was processed in the National Assembly, and now the debate has commenced in the Senate. We find this bill unconstitutional and basically meant to take away the gains that we have made in devolution as far as water provision is concerned. You know, water provision is a devolved function, but this particular piece of legislation, it is going to take away that from the counties to the national government. So
bill na ila yetelete kuvichombewa mbunge ya Senate ya vetukithwa ikethwa ive na selikali sya county ungami wa maundu ma Kiw'U vala selikali nene ikethwa iungami ya maundu ma Kiw'U vala magavana na maseneta ama aleana na uo mawetekana vena vata wa county kuungamia ki.
In this meeting, the position of most stakeholders is that this bill be stood down so that stakeholders can engage further and come up with a piece of legislation that is going to serve this country. We are all aware that even the parent act, the Water Act 2016, is in itself having issues. So what is coming out very clearly is that we need a total overhaul of Water Act so that we can have a legislation that is going to ensure that our people get water and clean quality water.
The framework must account or take into account the role of county governments in the management of water. And I think where the bill falls short, Senate will speak on those issues. We know that the private sector needs to have a role in the provision of management of water, but the bill as currently framed has flaws. And I think that as Senate debates it, Senate will consider the need to incorporate clauses that will ensure that water is accessed at the lowest or cheapest rate.
Na wivoni makulilo vivikie kuongelwa na kulecho kavindani kala kailite kui county na county kwithwa na uthasi wa kuungamia maundu ma unyaicha wa Kiw'U vandu va selikali kumia ilovia kui sub county kivathukanio.
That let the county government hold the money rather than having this constituency funds that is given to the sub-counties of the 50 millions and all that. Let that be put as a conditional grant so that we avoid the duplication, and this is where that the county government have come up with the county integrated development plan, and therefore all the proposals and the needs of the community from the lower level in terms of the water issues and the needs of our people is all entrenched in the county integrated development plan. And therefore there are no need of going back there to the community and asking them the questions of what they need, because it's all there. And therefore, with the national government and working together, the national government and the county government, they can be able to address the issues at that level, and particularly for the sustainability of the water supply to our people.
Ngilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kuma kaunti ya Mombasa, ni tawa Angelina Mose.